Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about the difference between Typeform and Google Forms. Google Forms is a free, user-friendly tool for creating basic online forms and surveys, seamlessly integrating with other Google services. Typeform specializes in creating visually appealing, interactive forms with a drag-and-drop interface and advanced customization options. While Typeform focuses on engaging one question at a time experience, Google Forms prioritizes simplicity and straightforward data collection. Now, let's talk about their features. Let's start with Google Forms. Easy creation. Creating an online form is as simple as drafting a document. Google Forms offers an intuitive interface that requires no technical skills, allowing users to quickly set up surveys or questionnaires. This ease of use makes it accessible for everyone, from educators to businesses, ensuring that anyone can gather information efficiently without extensive training. Polished surveys. Google Forms enables users to send out professional-looking surveys and forms effortlessly. With customization templates and themes, users can enhance the visual appeal of their forms. This polished presentation helps in engaging respondents, increasing the likelihood of obtaining quality responses, which is essential for effective data collection. Automatic analysis. Responses are automatically summarized with Google Forms, providing users with instant insights into collected data. This feature saves time and effort as users can view charts and graphs generated from their data without needing additional software. The automatic analysis helps in making informed decisions quickly based on the feedback received. Anywhere access. Google Forms allows users to create and respond to surveys from any device with internet access. This flexibility means that respondents can complete forms on their smartphones or tablets, enhancing participation rates. For creators, this means they can manage forms and analyze responses on the go, ensuring convenience and accessibility. Security assurance. Google Forms prioritizes security, compliance, and privacy for its users. Data collected through Forms is stored securely in Google's cloud infrastructure, which adhere to strict privacy standards. This ensures that sensitive information remains protected, giving users peace of mind when gathering potential confidential data. Now, let's talk about the features of Typeform. Enhanced data collection. Typeform boasts the ability to collect up to 3.5 times more data through its engaging interface. By presenting one question at a time in a visually appealing format, Typeform encourages respondents to complete surveys fully. This interactive experience leads to richer data collection compared to traditional forms. Data-driven decisions. The data gathered through Typeform can be analyzed effectively to guide future actions. Users can leverage insights from responses to refine strategies or improve products and services. This capability transforms raw data into actionable intelligence, empowering organizations to make informed decisions based on real feedback. Integration capabilities. Typeform seamlessly integrates with various tools such as CRMs, email marketing platforms, and analytics software. This compatibility enhances workflow efficiency by enabling users to connect their forms with existing systems. Such integrations streamline processes and ensure that data flows smoothly between platforms. Superior collection method. Typeform is recognized for its superior method of data collection through interactive forms that foster engagement. Unlike traditional survey formats that may feel tedious, Typeform's design captivates users' attention and encourages thoughtful responses. This innovative approach leads to higher completion rates and more nuanced feedback from participants. In conclusion, both Google Forms and Typeform offer valuable features for online data collection, catering to different user needs. Google Form is ideal for straightforward surveys at no cost, while Typeform excels in creating engaging, interactive forms with advanced analytics. Choosing the right platform depends on your specific requirements and budget. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.